In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Xero account. Whether you're just getting started with Xero or looking to explore its features with a free trial, I'm here to guide you through the process with ease and clarity. By the end of this video, you'll be all set up and ready to start using Xero's powerful accounting tools. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your internet browser of choice. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you feel comfortable using. Once there, type Xero.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Xero homepage, where all of your accounting solutions await. When you land on the homepage, you'll notice a button that says, Try Xero for free. Go ahead and click on that button. It's usually prominently displayed on the top of the page or in the center, drawing your attention easily. This option is perfect because it gives you the opportunity to familiarize yourself with Xero's features without any initial commitments. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your personal details to begin creating your Xero account. This step is pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide basic information, like your name and email address, much like signing up for any other online service. It's a simple process and should only take a minute or two of your time. Once you've entered your details, Xero will immediately enroll you in their 30-day free trial. This trial period is an excellent way to explore everything Xero has to offer, from managing invoices to tracking expenses, without cost concerns at the start. Take this time to experiment with all of Xero's features to see how they can best serve your accounting needs. However, it's important to note that to fully activate your account, Xero requires verification of both your phone number and email address. So, be sure to provide a real and active phone number as well as a correct email address. After submitting these, check your email inbox for a verification email from Xero and follow the instructions provided. Similarly, you will receive a message or call on your phone with a verification code to confirm your number. These extra steps ensure that your account is secure and verified, adding an additional layer of protection for your financial data. And there you go. With your account set up and verified, you're now ready to dive into the world of Xero and take full advantage of its comprehensive accounting capabilities. Feel free to explore, experiment, and see how Xero can streamline your accounting processes. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your new Xero account.